Hi guys, Nick here from Techniblogic.com, and today we are having the latest device launched by Xiaomi in China, which is Redmi 5 Plus. This is going to be an amazing device and I think it might be an exclusive unboxing in India. I got this from DHL because Indian Post take a lot of time, but I have paid customs and 500 rupees extra handling charges which DHL always charges because they don't have any sense for pricing. They just charge any amount from their customers. They charge a lot. And so if you want to buy it from China, you can buy using DHL. I have paid about 2500 rupees, but if you are going to bought it using the Indian Post, then you don't need any kind of custom which need to be paid. When you open up the box, we get the red color box, and when you open it further, we get a case which is a TPU case and is made of pretty high quality material. I just keep this aside. It is not going to properly protect the case, but at least they are providing the case. After that, we are getting the device inside the box. It feels little bit heavy in my first opinion, but it looks pretty dope. The back panel is made up of metal, but the upper part and the lower part is made up of plastic because there is little bit color difference while we check it properly. Keeping it aside, we get a user manual which is in Chinese, and I don't think so we're going to read this Chinese language in any scenario. After that, we in the box we are getting a USB brick which is going to give the power to the phone, and it is going to power with 5 volt 2 amp. This is not the fast charger, this is a normal charger. You can use any further charger also, and as this is the Chinese variant. And over here another thing which we get is a micro USB to USB cable, which is pretty good quality material which they have used. Keeping this aside, we also get a SIM ejector pin, which is a normal SIM ejector pin, nothing else. Coming to the build part, over here we are getting at the top side 5 megapixel camera, beside it a earpiece, single tone LED notification, different sensor, and a front flash, which is pretty good. Coming a little bit down, over here we are getting a 5.99 inches full HD display, which is going to give you the resolution of 2160 by 1080p and going to give you the pixel density of 402. This device is covered with 2.5D curved glass, as well as this is also having a Gorilla Glass covered on it, but the company has not mentioned that which kind of Gorilla Glass they have used. I think it might be Gorilla Glass 3, I am not confirmed. Coming a little bit down, we get on-screen back case which can be changed according to our usage. So moving further, coming to the down portion, here we are getting dual speaker grills, out of which the left one is having the primary mic in it and the right one is having the actual speaker in it. Between them houses a micro USB port which support normal charging, not fast charging, and a OTG. Coming to the left side, here we are getting a hybrid SIM slot which support dual nano SIM, or at the same time we can insert one nano SIM and a micro SD card that to 256GB. I think they should provide a triple tray slot where we can insert dual nano SIM as well as one micro SD card. It is working pretty well with the Geo, so no issues with that. Coming to the top portion, here we are getting 3.5 audio jack, secondary noise cancellation mic, and a air blaster, which is mandatory for Xiaomi devices these days. Coming to the right side, here we are getting volume rocker and power lock key, which are made up of metal and gives quite good haptic feedback on regular usage. So moving further, at the back side, here we are getting a 12 megapixel shooter, beside it dual tone LED flash and a fingerprint sensor. The fingerprint sensor works pretty well. I think if we compare it with high-end models like OnePlus 5T or any other further, this is the fastest which we are getting after Redmi Note 4. They have improved a lot after Redmi Note 4. In Redmi 5 Plus, the fingerprint sensor is insanely fast, no complaints regarding it. Moving further, coming to the specifications part, we are getting Snapdragon 625, which we get in Redmi Note 4, Adreno 506 GPU, 3GB or 4GB RAM, whichever you want to buy. This is 3GB version, 32GB of internal storage of 64GB, 256GB expansion using micro SD card, 12 megapixel back camera, 5 megapixel front camera, 4000 mAh battery, UI 9, which is latest version, and they have not updated to Oreo as of now. Air blaster and 18:9 ratio, which is infinity display according to different brands. So this is the Chinese variant, and we are having different application in Chinese. I am going to update it to global version as soon as they are going to move out or roll out the global version on their website. I'm going to unlock it and put the global version inside it. Coming to the camera application, it is pretty good. This time they've improved a lot in front facing camera as well as back camera, but the camera application is almost same, nothing new. The camera pictures which we are getting using this Redmi 5 Plus is insanely good. In this price range, I think it is surely going to defeat Honor 7X in any scenario. I think they are going to launch it in Feb end or Feb mid in India. Hopefully, I'm not sure, but I can just guess it. If the video get response, I'm going to do a giveaway for sure, so stay connected for any kind of updates. So that's it for the video guys. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of this stuff, be sure to hit the like button and do comment and subscribe. You can also follow me on Twitter and make sure to check out my other YouTube videos. So see you guys in my next video. Till then, see ya and keep rocking.